So hi everyone, let's see how today's market performs. So let's look at today's daily closing, yesterday's daily closing. As you can see, the candle strength from low to high, it is 166 points in Nifty, which is somewhere around of let's say 0.6% of move. And the rejection that is visible, if market sustains on this low, then we can see a further breakdown of this high also, and market can stay on somewhere sideways also. But looking at the rejection which is coming from the market, definitely there will be buyers into the market, right? So let's see in hourly time frame what is the analysis. This is the range that we have plotted yesterday, which I am going to delete now. So look at this, just look at this. What I am saying here is market has taken support at exact round number of 24,500 previous time, and this time also it is taking support here only. So if buyers are getting to be trapped here, because there are so much of buyers in the downside, if buyers are to be trapped here, then definitely uh, as you can see, then definitely we can have a sell side trade today. But what we can see here, let's go to the 5 minutes and we'll tell you about what can happen. So let's just observe here. As you can see, there is a clear trend line coming from the high. People who are watching the trend line would have shorted here, right? So let me plot the trend line. So this is the trend line which is coming from upside. People would definitely shorting here, right? Looking at the trend line, people are trying to short here. Also, looking at this selling, people who have sold here would have placed stop loss near around here or somewhere here. So market can target them also, because here sellers will be coming into the market, and looking at the previous days falling, sellers would have be sellers should have holded their position. So if market goes buy side, we will have some buy side trade. Otherwise, market can target the buyers also. Yesterday also buyers are targeted, so I am not so much convinced towards buying side, sorry, towards targeting the buyers, right? And if you look at the round number, 23,600 is a round number here, and market is taking support at exactly that row. If you look at this low, which is exactly 23,600, right? This low is 23,600. So market is taking support. You can see if I change the text coordinates, 24,600. Look, just look at this. 24,600. So this is the low of this today. So if market not able to sustain here, then it can fall also, but it is taking support at exactly 24,600. People might be expecting a rejection here because there is a trend line, but we will plan for a buying side trade if trend seems to be good. Let's see. As of now, there is no good setup accordingly. Let's look at the back Nifty also. Bank Nifty also opened in a range only. In this range, what we can see is there will be definite buyers and sellers into the market. Buyers, if would have quoted stop loss here, it has not yet come. Seller stop loss has not yet come. So this range can act as a crucial range, because this is the 60% or golden ratio of Bank Nifty also. If further breaks down, if Bank Nifty further breaks the lows, then it can definitely go down also up to 52,900. So let's see if market able to sustain or not. Here what we can plan is, let market over somewhere. This is the round number of 500. Market is taking resistance at 500. So if market breaks 500, then buyers will come into the market, then it can be target. Also there is 400 in the downside, which market has taken support. So if uh, buyers which are there in the market here and here, looking at the market, that is 53 400 support, then market can target them and go to a selling side. But also if market not able to break 500 and takes resistance, the sellers will definitely come and buyers can target the sellers. These are the sellers in the market, right? So the trend line is also coming. So if person is buying, then definitely market can trap them. Let's see. We have looked at the trend line. People are trying to sell here. Let's see we can have a buy side trader here or not. If we look at, let's look at heat map. What is the telling of the heat map? 1.4% down, Adani 1.4%, Staples Life 1.3, Airtel 1.4, and the down. Okay, I am a little bit convinced towards buy side. In Bank Nifty, let's look at Bank Nifty also. Here is also buy side signature. So let's see if what market does. So we are planning for a buy side trade here. Strike price would be 24,550. 500 would be a good option, right? Market is at round number only, so let's wait for something to be formed. It is reversing completely, so if any retracement come, we can have a buy side trade people, because looking at the trend line, people would have sold here and their stop loss would be here. So that's why we are planning for a buy side trade if any retracement comes. As of now, no retracement is coming. What I am thinking right here is market has taken support exactly at 600. So if people are not looking at 600, they would definitely sell here, looking at the trend line coming. We are expecting a breakout here. Let's have an entry. Let's wait for something, some retracement or kind of thing. Stop loss will be huge. Otherwise, I would have taken entry. But let market come a little bit down or retrace a little bit. So we have the entry here. 63.90 is our price, which we have got. And 63, then a 6 to 7 points of stop loss will be good. 660, then which is 57. Let's wait for something to be formed. Expecting a intraday high breakout here. Reason is simple. People would be trying to sell here because the looking at the trade line, and we have bought to trap them. So let's see if this market turns out to be easy or not. Stop loss will be 3 to 4, 6 to 7 points here. The expected loss will be 600 to 700. If 600 to 700 loss comes here, I will exit the trade. Once it touches 700, I will exit. Or we can have a stop loss in the pre. I can add a quantity here also. The reason is simple. This rejection is to remove the casual buyers from the market. We could have waited for this rejection, but okay. So it is going. This should be must of this. Looking at the rejection, people would be trying to sell here. We can have our SLs 50 to 10 points would be. Let's see when market goes in our direction. 62 means at least we must have about 72. But this high breakout would be expected here. Let's see if market gives us or not. We can place stop loss right here. There will be no issue. So we have successfully placed the stop loss. Let's wait. Let's see what market does. If this goes towards loss, then we might have to book the loss also, which is not an issue. Stop loss has become a little big here. That's what concern. Let's see. Trade is, I think, in a good direction, but our stop loss is becoming little big. That's why that's the concern with that. Market is showing buying side indication only, right? 72, 73, or this high breakout would be expected. Looking at the candles, we are pretty confirmed that market can go in our direction. Let's see if that happens or not. 172 would be our expectation. 173. 173 would be our expectation. Let's see if market does or not. It has gone to 170. If this candle reverses, then it would be a trap. If this candle reverses, then it would be a trap. So we have placed stop loss right at the below of this candle. The rejection is very strong. Taking the stop loss would not be a so placed right at the bottom of this candle because the rejection that is there in the premium, in the spot is so high, and I am so much convicted towards buying because the market is strongly attracting the seller. Let's see what happens. Let me refresh the chart. So this is how our trade is going. We are placed just below the previous day, previous candle, expecting a breakout here. Looking at the buying, people would have expected the breakout also. 600 support also taken. There is a deviation in the board. Let's see if market takes a stop loss, then I will happily book it. Definitely there is a high rejection from the upside, but look at the rejections in this spot candle. It's huge. Let's see if market goes this time, then we can have our target here. 173 or 170 something. More than 170 would be my target. Then after what market gives is us. This would be a high breakout is expected from my side. But let's see if market breaks the high or not. 170. We need just a spike. 173 would be my target. High a little bit. Oh man, go yeah. Everyone is expecting intraday high breakout here. That's why market is not going so fast. I think we should book major quantity at 170. I think this time our target will come. We have booked the target. Reason it can reverse from you. That's why I booked it. Let's see how much target we have got here. Fair enough. I think we should have booked a little bit higher, but let's see how market goes. We will not take this is the trade of the trade. This is why I have exited. I can't handle this much of so, so if this is little much also, then if anything comes against my direction, I would preferably exit from that trade and hold in another trade. Although, although I am expecting this high breakout here, but yes, booking the profit is also necessary, right? Look, it is going and it can go. It can go. It can go. I'm not denying the fact. The concerning part, there is no concerning part as such, but if breaks out this, then there will be a clear rejection from the upside. Okay, this is what I am telling. This can go, right? Okay, it has gone. You just take the learning from the market, right? I will update you after some time. Look at the market, how it is giving me guilt. It has broken this and gone to this. Also, our expectation is fulfilled. This is where the greed comes or the risk management comes into the place, right? Although we have booked no doubt 1:1 of target, we could have booked a little bit higher now. So that's the concern part. No worries, we have learned from this market and let's see how market performs. So as you can see here, this is what I am telling about. After giving the rejection, right? After breaking the intraday high, look at the rejection that has come. After giving us target, look at the rejection that has come. Although we can expect this rejection to be break, but who can sustain this rejection? Look, 170, you can say 180 is the high of this candle and 160 is the low of this candle. I am losing 20 points of movement just to hold for a bigger trade. Why to lose 20 points? Although because my target is near around 30 points, why should you expect this to go 20 points and go 20 points in more 10 points in my direction? So this is where the problem comes, right? I am telling about this trend line, which is this. Everyone would be trying to sell you. Definitely, my market can go further, taking rejection from here. If people are selling here, if you look at the put premiums, see, if you look at put premium, this is 24. This is looking like a clear trap. I am telling about this. This looks like a clear trap. The rejection and the slow movement towards selling side looks like a trap. I think we should have an entry, but following without managing without following the one order per day rule, I'm not going to be a millionaire or billionaire on the market, because if you don't follow the rules, then you are a bullshit man, right? Let's see. We'll update you. I think what is happening here is we missed a point that person can expect a trend line breakout also. So retailers may be expecting trend line breakout because market has taken support exactly at 24,600. So there would be definite buyers into the market. So market is targeting the buyers as of now, as you can see, which I have planned also. But the reason I have taken buy side trade is expecting a breakout here, which is a retailer's mindset, right? You shouldn't have done that. No worries. We have learned from this market what is happening right here. Look at this. And look at this. 170 to 190. This is 177 to 150. This is 30 points near around move, and this is 40 points upside move. So you are against the type, right? So this is what happens in premiums. But another thing is because market has taken support exactly at 6 and I plot I should plot also. That should be 24,000. Exactly taken support here, right? So market is removing the buyers only. This is what market is doing right now. Let's see what I can expect here is market cannot directly target the buyers. It can go slowly, right? Take the essence of the because these buyers are very strong, right? Because buyers look at the candles of the previous day, last closing hour candle. These are very strong candles. So buyers are not going to. If buyers have bought, then they would have placed the stop loss right here. Hmm. And if sellers would be selling, they would have placed stop loss here. So I'm expecting this seller stop loss to be gone, which has successfully gone. And I think now the small buyers which are coming into the market is removing them because these buyers are not going to remove because they would have been placed stop loss at 24, 540 or somewhere around near around that. So this is what the part is. This is what the thing is, right? Learning from this market is I should have waited for the you or I we should have wait for our target. Okay, this is what happened, right? Okay, good, good, good. Intraday low has broken down. The put sellers would have placed stop loss here. The market can go to take the essence of the put sellers. Also, there is a if you look at the CPR, market is exactly at the CPR. Okay, exactly market is at the CPR. Okay. So if this turns out to be a trap, with what I said is going to be correct because market has taken the small buyers SL and after that it is going higher only. So let's see if that happens or not. Look at the rejection from the downside. Look at the bar, pin bar. This is what I told, right? And this is what is happened. If I would be taking the second trade, then my entry would be this point at this point. So if market breaks this point, then definitely it can go further for 144 and 147. If not, then it can get the target of 177. Look at this. If this would have my entry of the second trade, then our stop loss will be 5 to 7 points. The target will be this high. So which is seeming to be achieved here. Market has shown rejection to attract the buyers. That's what I am thinking. Right. Analysis is done so well, but due to the lack of holding power, this is coming. So we have booked the target, but no worries. Time will come. Then look, this is what I'm saying. No, it is not going to be a trap. If you think it's a trap, then you are very wrong. The reason market has already trapped this, doing this, right? So this is not going to be a trap. And we would say if you add positions here, otherwise here on a retracement, you could have got a good target also. At least a high breakdown. This high 177 would be the target if I place orders here. If I would have added some quantities, okay, on this point, definitely I would have added some quantity at this point. So our target will be 177. our stop loss will be this much. You just look if this happens or not. The reason why I told you is this is not going to be a trap. Although market is coming down, the spot is coming down usually, but premium is not. Or definitely I 66 is our entry, na? So I would place a little bit higher, 61. Okay, 5 points of SL would be good, and for that 10 points is our target. And see, and just look how market gives us the target or profit. If it would be a second trade. Today we have done for the positions, but I am saying if this would be a second trade, then it can happen because market has shown negativity to the sellers who are willing to sell at the negativity to the sellers who are willing to sell at the resistance. It has shown negativity, and people would be placing stop loss here after selling, looking at this candle. So market is going to take the stop losses. Although, also the persons who are buying, looking at the support at 24,600, market had broken the support hugely by a huge candle. Then after shown the rejection. So let's see what happens. If stop loss or if target, let's will update you about that. Okay, so this is a stop loss. Let's see. What I am expecting here is market is showing huge retracement for the reason that looking at this big candle, right? Looking at this big candle, retailer will come into the market, and market is not going to give the profit to the retailer. That's why it is showing huge retracement, but it will convert to rejection candle and may go till this. This is what our expectation is. Definitely, if I would have entered into this trade, I would not place the stop loss manually. I would wait for the retracement to happen properly. Right after retracement, if market not goes in our direction, then it will be fine, and we would be booking the stop loss also. Look at the rejection from the upside. Market is, let's see what market does. Market is supreme here. You can't say that market is wrong. If you look at the spot here, premium has reversed completely due to the volatility, but put premium is not going high, which means it might become a retracement. But no one can say. Market is kind of forming gap pattern here. Broken, support, high, then breakdown. Maybe happen, but people who are expecting this candle is enough for them to sell you. So let's see if this turns out to be a trap or not. This is not a clear rejection, but I'm expecting this to be a rejection. What I'm thinking right now is here would be SLs of the sellers, small sellers. Market will take this first, then after go down. Also, the person who are putting the stop loss here, market will take them and then after go down. This is what my analysis is right here. So let's see if that happens. Spot is looking bullish. That's what happened, right? Market has removed all the small retailer or buyers, and it is going up, which is a fair thing because market is not here to give you money, right? Let's see, we'll update you about that. Just look at this, what market has done. Let's have an eye over here. I think this should be a snapshot. Just observe the market, what is happening here. As you can see here, our analysis has gone completely wrong. Reason, this low is 155. Definitely it has not taken our stop loss because our stop loss is at, sorry, 142 is the low, as it has taken the stop loss. This is what the trap for the market, because market is not going to give the buyers a target, so that's why it is going like this, taking all the SLs of the buyers also, who are bought looking at this candle. So as you can see here, our analysis is gone right, and market has not taken this stop loss, and it is going higher after removing all the small sellers into the market. It can go further also. This is what the, but interesting thing is market has trapped sellers crazily. Look at this move. If you look at this move, the candles move are huge, right? Look at this big candle. So this is what concerning. If market traps like this, then think of that how market will give moves here. So the fluctuations are really high into the market, right? So this is what the market is. After giving a small retracement, I'm expecting this high to be broken here. After giving a small retracement, because these candles are very strong. After giving a small retracement, I am expecting this high to be broken. Definitely, I could have taken the trade, but uh, our risk management says that only one trade a day. That's why not taking any trade. But it should give a retracement, and in that red candle, we will enter into the trade. So this is the red candle. We'll wait. Okay, our entry would be 180. Right, our entry would be 181, and let's see if target gets or not. If I would have taken 181 would be my entry, stop loss will be this much only. 181 means somewhere close to 176, 176, 175 would be a good stop loss here. Expecting this high to be broken. Look at the fluctuations, right? If you look in the premium, it is not so much reverse, but in the spot, it is reverse like that. This is what the fluctuations are right now. Just crazy, right? As you can see, there is a strength in buying premium, but as you can see, this much of reversal is already given by the market from the high of 654 to 41. Crazy, like market is giving crazy. Look at the buying strength in the premium. But the crazy thing is, look at this. This candle is somewhere around I guess, quite to guess. Let's look at the candle size. From high to low, this candle is 26 points. And look at the premium. What is the candle? This is the low of the candle and this is the high of the candle. High is 196. Let's look at the low. Low is 164. From 190, from 164 to 196. This is close to 32 points of move, resulting to be spot is moving 26 points, but the premium has moved 32 points. This is what the option buying is. Sometimes when momentum is there into the market, right, like here, spot has gone up, but market is not going up. When momentum is in your direction, you should book the profit rapidly, because otherwise when momentum once lose, then trapping will come, then retailer will enter, and then you will be then the chances will be getting your stop loss is high. Before that, if you have put it a random stop loss, sorry, a random target or a target according to your risk to reward, then definitely you will get a good opportunity to book the trade. Otherwise, if you are waiting for the market to show some conditions so that you can book the trade, then definitely for an advanced trader it can help, but for a beginner trader it is not going to help at all. So in this premium also, I'm looking at the premium where previous time it has taken support. So okay. So as you can see, this is a support level in the premium. So breaking down of this support level can act as a resistance. The support can act as a this support can act as a resistance. So you are expecting this resistance to be broken. Whenever market approaches this resistance, you should place a limit order here, like just wait for the just like you should wait for the sell order, right? You just have to observe the market. If market goes in your direction and if reverses a little bit, then you should place the sell order, right? Otherwise, what can happen is you are expecting this high to be broken. No doubt your expectation would be right, but it is not necessary that your analysis, right? Your analysis and your profit should match each other, because whenever you have done analysis, which is not a bad thing, but profit is different thing, right? Profit booking is different thing. Profit is giving you confidence into the market, but analysis is giving you experience into the market. So if you are doing analysis and if you are not if you are doing analysis fair enough and you are not booking profit, then what is the benefit of doing this type of analysis, right? So keep that in mind. Whenever it comes to profit, following your rules is necessary, but what analysis says and what your profit should be is different according to my experience, because analysis will say it will go up, but do you have further? I am doing this mistake only. I have done a good analysis. I am trying to book 1:3, which is no doubt a good risk to reward, but it is very rare, right? So expecting 1:3 move from the, no doubt it can happen into the market, but expecting 1:3 move on a daily basis is not possible. What I have changed is I have booked to 1:2. I have changed my style to 1:1, 1:1 or 1:1.5. So this is where the turning point comes, because I am booking a daily profit or somewhere frequent profit. Although in this case I am not able to book frequent profits. So this is what my observation is into the market. Although your analysis will be going to, although you will be having good analysis into the market, but only analysis will not give you profit, right? So with analysis you need to make sure that you are booking the profits at a right position, because analysis will say that market can go to 700, it will take, but in option buying you need to think that time is not in your favor. So if you are against the time and you are fighting with the market that it can go and I will hold, you hold, then market will show you, right? So this is what my observation is from market. I might be wrong, but this is what working out for me also. Look, no doubt market is going high, But why should you wait for so long to get this high? Whereas what you can do, you just wait at 181 when the previous resistance or previous this resistance breaks. You wait for the candle. The candle will going. Look what is happening here. Here is the previous time support of the premium. You have seen that. So if market is going down, going up, you will wait. It is going up, going up, going up. Somewhere, if market reverses, then you should put the limit order here and will exit from the market. Why you need? Okay, we'll exit at this or at this extreme cases, but you don't have to wait for these fluctuations, right? Which will hamper your emotion. This is what I am saying. You should not be correct every time, right? Or if you are correct, your analysis might be correct, but your profit will not match to your analysis. So that's it. That is what I am saying. Let's see what market does. Expecting this breakdown. Okay, this is breaking out. But look at the spot and the premium. Will you be interested in this? It is going high and this is creating a base. Okay, it has finally broken. Look, after breaking also it is showing rejection. This is what I am saying, right? But our entry, according to which I am saying that according to our entry and our stop loss, market has given us target, which is somewhere close to 1 is to more than 1 is to 1.5. This is what I am saying. Market can show fluctuation, after that it will go give you a target. But do you need to wait for the target, or do you need to do trading on every analysis? Definitely not. Just observe the trade, just have the mark of what market has done today. You will definitely implement this in further also. Look at this rejection. You are just think about the psychology, what is happening here. You are waiting for the candle to be broken out, and this has not broken out. You might have put the stop loss of limit order of 196, and market has broken down and you might have got 196. But what the thing is, if you would have broken at 191, which is a further very little bit lower point, you will not regret that you have made the loss. But if we are waiting for this to cross, what you are getting instead of that, in the price of waiting, what you are getting, right? For the waiting, you are not getting sufficient point, just 5 points. But if you book, you will get a time or emotional balance to the market, right? So this is what I am saying. This is what my psychology works.